Edwards Band. But there's more. As you can see him rocking and rolling throughout this beautiful country of ours with country legend Dwight Yoakam. From Los Angeles, California, hey, let's hear it for Eugene Edwards. And on the beat, he is the star drummer for the world famous San Diego-based rockabilly trio, Hot Rod Lincoln.net. From San Diego, California, hey, let's hear it for Mr. Ty Cox. And in this corner, on the doghouse bass, on the upright gut fiddle, on the biggest violin I have ever seen, he's the king of the LA rockabilly scene and the star of Russell Scot and his RedHots.com. From Pomona, California, hey, let's hear it for Mr. Russell Scott. We would like for you to turn around and give Timmy a big round of applause. There's Timmy on sound. Michelle, Megan, and Josh on lights. Thanks for making us sound so pretty. Thanks for making us look so pretty. We'd also like to thank Guy and Josh and Andrea and Raylene backstage, and most importantly, a special thank you to Retha and Chris Champion and all the folks here. Every single one of the folks here at the Covina Center for the Performing Arts. Friends, the performing arts are alive and well in your community because of their efforts, and I want you to give them a big, big, big round of applause. Most importantly, we would like to thank each and every one of you for being here with us tonight. We enjoyed rocking and rolling with you this weekend. We sure have had a blast. If you'd like to find out more about us, please visit ScotBruce.com. Scot is spelled with one T. ScotBruce.com. You can also find us on Facebook under Scot Bruce